Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, we will be changing engine oil on this 2021 Nissan Kicks and then reset the maintenance. I will be using 0W20 fully synthetic engine oil. It will need 4.3 quarts with the filter. It will be about 4 liters. We're gonna need new engine oil filter, drain pan, funnel, 65mm filter wrench, and 14mm for the oil drain bolt. And the other things, use gloves and shop towel. Alright, let's open engine oil cap, give it a quick wipe so the dirt won't fall in the engine, and then pull the dipstick out. Alright, let's get under the car. Here's the oil filter, and here's the drain bolt located. Let's throw the oil pan under the car and grab the 14mm. Now we will let the oil drain for a while. We will work on removing oil filter. For the filter socket, you're just gonna need a ratchet and extender. To avoid making mess when removing the filter, loosen up a bit and let it drain for a while, and then remove it. This way it won't splash any oil on the floor. In my opinion, it's necessary to wipe the filter area. Sometimes there will be small pieces from the old filter o-ring. The drain bolt's crusher washer is on and not damaged, so I'm just gonna clean it. I don't replace it with every oil change unless it has a crack. I don't torque oil drain bolt, but I use short ratchets so I don't over tighten it. It's not necessary to buy a torque wrench if you're just doing oil change on your car. I always spray some carb cleaner or a brake cleaner to clean any oil on the drain pan, so if it leaks oil, I will know right away. Pre-filling oil filter is not a big deal for small engines. I usually don't fill them with oil, but it's important to lube the o-ring so it opens easily for the next oil change. Alright, let's put the new filter on. You don't need to use socket and ratchet for this, just hand tightening will be enough. Our job is finished under the car. Let's pull the oil pan and put the funnel on the engine. Now we can add 4.3 quarts 0W20 fully synthetic engine oil. It will be about 4 liters. Taking the funnel with the shop towel under it to avoid spilling any oil on the engine. We are almost done here. Let's check the oil level with the dipstick. It should be at the second dot. Next, let's start the engine. It's important to check the oil filter for any oil leak. Now we can reset the maintenance. Use the arrows at the left side of the steering wheel, go all the way to the right to setting, and then scroll down to the maintenance. Oil and filter confirm reset, press yes. And here you can set a reminder for the next oil change. I will put on 5000, but you can set it more with fully synthetic oil. And here is how to change engine oil and the filter with maintenance reset on this 2021 Nissan Kicks with common hand tools. Hope you guys found the video useful and learned something new. If it was, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.